APJ. It's right opposite the fountain. So we'll try to like lower down our volume if possible, okay? It's the residential area. I don't want to disturb the staff, but I also want to show the infirmary to you so that in case of any medical emergency, any appointment you want to take, you can just quickly refer. We'll quietly walk there. I'll also lower down my volume. I'll show you the infirmary and we'll run away, okay? Quietly, let's see.
It's drizzling. వాన పడుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఏం చేద్దాం, చిన్న చిన్న జల్లులు పడుతున్నాయి.
Folks, volume.
Here we go.
Okay, everybody, you see the infirmary here? So any kind of medical problems and all, okay? You can just go and visit this doctor. 24/7 is the service, okay? But for emergency only, okay? So let's say if you need an appointment and all, it starts from 10 and then it ends till 6, okay? All the medicines, medication, any kind of medication you need, you can just go check with the doctor if it is there, or maybe there. Otherwise, you can ask Sagar Bhaiya to get the medication from outside. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm saying that this is a 24/7 medical facility that is available on the campus, including ambulance. Okay? So we have all the things here: medication. If you need to get admitted and anything, it can be done here. It's a beautiful facility which the campus is providing. Doctors are there. The timings of the doctors are 10 to 6. Okay, but in case of medical emergency, doctor stays nearby only. So it's a 24/7 medical emergency situation. Okay, ambulance is also there. Okay, and I'll give you the number of emergency also on the WhatsApp group. Yeah. Clear, friends?
Yes.
You know how to come to this infirmary, right? Yeah. Shanti Niketan, and opposite to Shanti Niketan is the way. Yeah? Clear, friends? Yes. Okay, we'll walk up. Come. Last set of campus tour, okay? And let's try to be as quick as possible because it's raining, okay? Come on. Let's cross the road. If you have umbrellas, please use umbrellas. Come, let's walk back. What, you have an umbrella?
Maybe. Okay, so 100 residents area Okay. Fine. Okay, समझ में आ गया. अभी आया है
Oh, yeah.
Now I give it to you. Okay. समझ आया? मैं तुम्हें बोल रही थी ना कि शॉर्टकट है मुझे लगा शॉर्टकट है मुझे लॉन्गकट है
That is the reason we need to communicate all the information.
Yes.